Hello students, this is Arkan Ashram, your biology teacher. Yeah, this is the last topic of how do organisms reproduce chapter. Yeah, so reproductive health, it is the last topic of this chapter. Previous class we discussed about the sexual reproduction in human beings, right? Yeah, in this one especially male and female reproductive system, diagram, structure and functions, right? Yeah, so last topic is reproductive health. Means how is the topic? Reproductive health means reproduction. This is the effect on health. Means at the what age it is suitable for marriage. Yes, yeah. See, first the mother carrying a child should be a physical matured. When the mother is mature mind, at the same time health is properly, that mother should carry a baby. Otherwise the health means irrespective of health, at the same time she not carry the baby also. So depend on her health, right? But ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది perfect health and age means the mother should be mentally fit to take care of the child. ఎప్పుడైతే ఫిట్గా ఉంటారు, ఏజ్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటుంది, ఆ టైంలో ఆ ఏజ్లో మాత్రమే ద మదర్ ఈజ్ టు క్యారీ ద బేబీ. దేర్ షుడ్ బి అట్లీస్ట్ 3 years గ్యాప్ బిట్వీన్ టూ చిల్డ్రన్. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు నవడేస్ దే గివెన్ 18 years ఫర్ గర్ల్, 21 years ఫర్ బాయ్. I think within 2 or 3 months Narendra Modi they changed to age also, 21 years for girl and 23 or 24 years for boy. But because of the nowadays see very early age marriages, 14 years, 15 years, 16 years, below 18 years children, how can they carry the baby? How can they know for reproduction, or how can they behave in the houses? So this is difficulty time, right? Yeah, they don't know I think how to carry the baby also, caring, health. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నాయి చాలా చిన్న చిన్న విలేజెస్లో ఇంకా చదువు మీన్స్ అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పీపుల్స్ ఉన్నారు. అసలు దే డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ దిస్ వన్. ఎంతసేపు ఉన్నా కూడా అమ్మాయి ఉంది, త్వరగా మ్యారేజ్ చేయాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్ వే. Yes, right? Yeah. See next. So after marriages means perfect means a particular cut age after marriage. So every child the gap is 3 years. Nutritious food should be available to the mother during pregnancy and location period. Means correct means mother, when the mother pregnancy time and to carry the baby time, we should give a proper of nutrition diet. Because of the two lives are there, yes or no, mother and child. That's why we'll give a proper nutrition food. These may be pressure from families to get married and start having children. చెప్పాను ఇందాకే, త్వరగా మ్యారేజ్ చేయాలి, ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళగొడదామా అమ్మాయిల్ని, ఎస్పెషలీ ఈవెన్. దట్స్ వై గర్ల్స్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గర్ల్స్, టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ వన్ ఛాలెంజ్ టు కెన్ సక్సెస్ ఇన్ లైఫ్. ఒక మంచి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ లైఫ్ని లీడ్ చేయండి, మంచి జాబ్. ఎంతసేపు ఉన్న 18 years వచ్చాయి, 19 వచ్చాయి, 20 వచ్చాయి, 21 వచ్చాయి, మ్యారేజ్. సో ద మైండ్ మీన్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ హియర్ సరౌండింగ్ పీపుల్స్ ఆల్సో. ఆల్వేస్ ద మైండ్ పీపుల్ ఈజ్ ఇంకా వచ్చాయి కదా, 21 years వచ్చాయి కదా అమ్మాయికి, మ్యారేజ్ చేయండి. సో లైక్ దట్. సో మోర్ ప్రెజర్ ఆన్ దట్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఫర్ మ్యారేజ్. సో మ్యారేజ్ చేశాక మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ చిల్డ్రన్. 1 year అయింది కదా, 2 years అయింది, ఇంకా చిల్డ్రన్స్ లేరు, ఏంటి? సో దిస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెజర్ ఆన్ మదర్, రైట్? యా, దెర్ ఈజ్ అ ప్రెజర్ ఫ్రమ్ గవర్నమెంట్ అండ్ వాలంటరీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ టు అవాయిడ్ హ్యావింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ అట్ అన్ ఎర్లీ ఏజ్. ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆశా వర్కర్స్, ఏఆర్టీ, యాంటీ రిట్రీవల్ థెరపీ. So means these ASHA workers, they are going to people's to convey. So because this is not a right way to for marriage of especially women. Yes, right? Yeah. A sexual act is a very relation between bodies. It is not surprising that many diseases can be sexual transmitted. So after marriage, it is because of sexual reproduction is casual, common. Why? Because of to lead the new life means a new child. Okay, continue of life. So in this time also many diseases can be transmitted. That is we call sexual transmitted diseases. See, STDs. So very important question. STDs. Telephone booth kaadu, STD, ISD kaadu. Okay. STD means sexually transmitted diseases. Because of unsafe sex, because of multiple partners, so different people, so different techniques. So many of they are using to this method. So many at the same time disease will attack the bodies. See, one is bacterial infections. Bacterial infections. So one is gonorrhea, GONORRHOEA. So gonorrhea disease and syphilis disease through bacteria. Viral infections like HIV, which leads to AIDS. What is HIV? Human immunovirus. What is AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So these diseases spread by unsafe sexual contacts using infected devices, infected blood transmission from an infected mother to child. So these are also infected means unhealthy habits, unhealthy methods they are following into the disease will transfer from the patient patient to healthy persons, right? So these how can avoid many sexual transmitted diseases? Ela avoid cheyali. So see, first one, avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners. So with only husband and wife. Second one, follow ethical and healthy life practices, because contraceptives always cannot prevent. So what is a contraceptive means? Yeah, next we will discuss. Next topic is there. Yeah. So these contraceptives always cannot prevent sexual transmitted diseases, right? In case of doubt, go to a qualified doctor for early detection. If dangerous with disease, take complete treatment. So ఏదైనా disease వచ్చినప్పుడు we can consult the qualified doctors, right? Topic is birth control methods. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం సో ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్, సో వన్ చైల్డ్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ సో ఎవ్రీ చైల్డ్ దే హ్యావ్ వీ షుడ్ గివ్ గ్యాప్ ఫర్ 3 years, right? Yeah. So in the 3 years, how can we control the birth control methods? So after two children's, next after that we don't need of children's child. How can we control, or how can birth control methods, right? So the prevention of pregnancy in women or by preventing fertilization is called contraception. So already చెప్పాను కదా contraceptives or contraception means prevention of pregnancy in women. That is we call contraception term. All the birth control methods divide into 4 categories. One is barrier methods. So very important question, children's, for board exam. Yeah, barrier methods, chemical methods, surgical methods, and IUCD or copper T methods. First one, barrier methods. The physical devices such as condoms and diaphragm or cap are used for preventing pregnancy. So these condoms and diaphragm is available in market, and especially in all medical shops. Why? Because of for the because of safe for the life. That's why I can use these methods to can control the birth. How can see condoms are used by males, and diaphragm or caps used by females, right, children? Second one, chemical methods. So in the chemical methods of preventing pregnancy of the females, use 2 types of pills. One is the oral pills, and second one vaginal pills. So these are also chemical. Why? Because of these are medicines, right? Look like a tablets, drugs. Yes, oral pills and vaginal pills, which is made by a special drugs. See children, this is the example. Some women choose oral pills as contraceptive for birth control. The oral contraceptive pills are popular in India by the name of Mala D. So you can ask also Mala D also in a medical shop. So they will give this. So this we call contraceptive pills. So this is oral pills, vaginal pills. What is oral pills? The oral pills contain hormones which stop the ovaries from releasing ovum or egg into the oviduct. So ఆ ఓవా రిలీజ్ కాకుండా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. So because of every child they give I think 3 years gap, right? That time most of the women they are using these medicines to avoid the pregnancy, like that. Yeah. So oral pills are also called as oral contraceptives syndrome. Second one, vaginal pills. The vaginal pills contain the chemicals. Vaginal pills contain the chemicals called spermicides syndrome, which kills the sperms. So in the reproduction time, the sperms enter in the female reproductive system. That time, these vaginal pills to kill the sperms. For what purpose? Because of to protect the unwanted pregnancy. So next third one, surgical methods. Surgical methods nothing but we call the can stop the child. Means we don't want child after 2 or 3 or whatever maybe, right? That time means it is a permanent technique. See, surgical methods of birth control are available for males and as well as females both also. One is a vasectomy, one is a tubectomy. What is vasectomy? A small portion of the sperm's duct. See, this is the vasectomy. Cut ends of vas deferens are sealed. And this one too. This is the vas deferens, right? Yeah. So this is the vas deferens, right? Yeah. Once you check the male reproductive system, right? Diagram. Yeah. So this is the vas deferens. Means when the sperms are to produce in a testis, these sperms would travel to the vas deferens and enter into the penis, right? So these vas deferens we can cut small incision. Just chinna cut చేస్తారు. సో ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసాం కదా, యా కట్ చేసి ఏం చేస్తారు, యూ కెన్ టైడ్, ఓకే, స్మాల్ ఇన్సిషన్ అండ్ టైడ్ ది vas deferens. Means the sperms cannot produce. So both, not only one, both. So both vas deferens are we can cut in small incision and tied with help of methods, right? What purpose here means the sperms cannot released permanently, the lifelong, right? When you want, that time again you can consult doctor and again remove these vas deferens tied, right? That is the vasectomy. Tubectomy. See, tubectomy, cut ends of fallopian tubes. ikkadaithe vas deferens, ikkadaithe fallopian tubes. See, catheterized, tied and cut, banded. So ikkada two ends na kada, this is we call fallopian tube, right? So these fallopian tube మనం చేస్తున్నా we can cut and tied, కట్ చేసి ఒక చిన్న బ్యాండ్ లాగా చేస్తాం. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ హియర్ మీన్స్ ద ఓవిడక్ట్ కెనాట్ రిలీజ్ ద ఓవా. రిలీజ్ చేసినా కూడా దీస్ ఓవైస్ కెనాట్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ ద ఫీమేల్ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ సిస్టమ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వీ కాల్ ట్యూబెక్టమీ. సింపుల్గా ఏమంటే వీ కెన్ కట్ హియర్ vas deferens and here fallopian tube and tied them. That is called vasectomy, tubectomy. For what purpose means cannot release the gamete. Last fourth method, IUCD or copper-T method. The use of intrauterine contraceptive device called copper-T. It is also very effective in pregnancy, right? Preventing pregnancy. See children, this is the copper-T, copper-T device. So a copper-T is placed inside the uterus by a doctor or a trained nurse. So don't use means in the presence of doctor and trained nurse only they are placed inside the uterus place. Which one? Copper-T. The IUCD or copper-T prevents the fertilized egg or avoiding unwanted pregnancy. Yes, right? Okay children, this is the 4 methods for the avoid the pregnancy time, right? So this is a complete the chapter. Yeah, well prepare for the next exam. All the best, children.